Hey, how's she going, guys? It's freaking Thanksgiving up here in Canada, so I thought I'd do a little bit untraditional cooking and make ourselves a freaking beef roast. Not bad, it's already pre-tied, try to keep it as even as possible when you're cooking it. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make a beer marinade for it, because it's still early in the day, I won't be cooking this till later. So, start off with some good old Alexander Keith's India Pale Ale. This is good stuff right here. One of my favorite beers by far. Cheers. A little bit for me, a lot for the beef.
Daddy.
Hi. So, we're going to throw that in there. Oh yeah. So, I tend to be a Clubhouse Spice fan. I can't help it. They make lots of good freaking stuff. I'm just gonna throw some of their Italiano seasoning in there. Has some like red bell peppers and stuff like that. It's pretty good. Little bit of garlic powder. Gotta have the garlic. Then there's one called Garlic Plus that has some other stuff with it. Like there's some basil and leek and thyme leaves in there. It's pretty good. Throw that in there. And then sun-dried tomato and herbs. This is actually a PC freaking one. Most of them have the same ingredients, but the little variations are what make it count.
Daddy.
We're gonna
Daddy.
stir it up a little bit. Get her nice and even. And then we're gonna throw this right in there. Not a bad beef roast, I might say. That'll be freaking tasty. You want to leave the fat on there for now. Once you start grilling it, that'll add some more flavor, make a good gravy base. Just place that in there. Throw the lid on. And give her a good shake. You're going to want to get that roast covered, and while it's marinating, you're going to want to do this every 20 minutes or so to keep her nice and covered, because it's no good if it just sits in the bottom quarter inch. So we're going to throw this in the fridge, let it sit for a couple hours, pull her out and throw her in the oven. I'll talk to you later. Peace.